खबरों में आगे बढ़ेंगे। हैदराबाद में छत्तीसगढ़ इन्वेस्टर्स कनेक्ट मीट समिट में सीएम विष्णुदेव साय भी मौजूद, उद्योग मंत्री लखन लाल देवगन भी शामिल हुए हैं। ये बड़ी जानकारी हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। उद्योग मंत्री लखन लाल देवगन भी मौजूद हैं। निवेश को लेकर उद्योगपतियों और उद्योग मंत्री लखन लाल देवांगन भी मौजूद हैं। ये बड़ी जानकारी हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। निवेश को लेकर उद्योगपतियों से संवाद, उद्योग समूहों और निवेशकों के साथ होगी चर्चा। छत्तीसगढ़ में निवेश को लेकर सीएम देंगे न्योता।
A tough task for a real estate developer who doesn't have an iota of learning and idea about the steel. But friends of steel industry there in Raipur, they were supportive. Government was supportive. We got approvals, all the approvals within 1 year of formation of this 600 crore, 700 TPD production steel integrated plant in just 1 year, including environment clearance, including consent to establish. And not only that, after the approvals, when we started the execution, we were pleasantly surprised that every 2 months we used to get a call from our industry department that what is the growth, what is the progress. You have committed to invest this 600 crores, what is going on? Do you need any support or is it in the right direction? So that always helped us to start the production within 18 years of commencement of our construction. Chhattisgarh government initiatives promoting environment-friendly industries are highly encouraging. And after this steel industry and the support we got, we were naturally inclined towards another initiative which is environmental friendly and which is also in the national agenda of our respected Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. Chhattisgarh solar policy is among the most attractive in India, I would say. The open access policy framework is highly supportive. Power banking facility is available, which is unique in India. Like generally, when real-time power is generated, it is used, and the extra power which is generated, it gets wasted. But the net metering system in Chhattisgarh allows to bank this power, and the government at the end of the year, they calculate what is the power used by us, what is the surplus power, and all the surplus power is duly paid by the government to the investor of the solar plant. This encouraged us, this policy encouraged us, and we installed a 17 megawatt power plant there in Chhattisgarh within 1 year. And surprisingly, we realized that most of the solar plant gets free or get their payback in 7 to 8 years in other parts of India. We were fortunate enough to get this payback within 2.5 years to 3 years of the payback of the solar system. Yeah, we were fortunate enough to use this power in our captive, in the captive form in our malls there in Raipur, and that was a great investment again. Now encouraged by this solar thing, we are considering entering into hydropower. Again, I would say hydropower policy of Chhattisgarh is unique policy because the PPA of hydropower in our state is for 40 years, which is generally 25 to 30 years in other parts of India. This is highly encouraging, and I would say this has helped our group to enter into various industries in the past 4-5 years particularly. It's important to mention the efforts towards elimination of Naxalism in Bastar by our Honorable Chief Minister in the past 2 years. After his taking the oath of as a Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, we saw remarkable change and improvement in the efforts in Chhattisgarh's Bastar region, which was known for Naxalism. Not only Bastar was known for Naxalism, Chhattisgarh की भी branding एक Naxalite state की होती थी. And this efforts of Honorable Chief Minister and our Central Minister Shahaji, we got Bastar as a free region for development growth. I see immense growth potential in the coming years in this part of Chhattisgarh, which is very rich in agro-forest and which is very rich in mining resources, natural resources. Friends, as I said, our growth and diversification to other industry is only because of willingness of our state government to engage with investor and find solutions. My humble request to all of you, to all the distinguished investors today present in this hall is very simple. Please come to Chhattisgarh. Please experience Chhattisgarh. Please visit, please explore. As they say, seeing is believing. Just come, just see, and I am sure you'll be ready to invest in Chhattisgarh. Why I say so? Because not only the government is good, the natural resources are good, the atmosphere is conducive, people here are also very good. We very fondly say, we all of us very fondly say, and हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर तो अक्सर अपनी स्पीच में ये बात कहते हैं जब भी वो छत्तीसगढ़ से बाहर जाते हैं, छत्तीसगढ़िया सबसे बढ़िया.